Hey guys, it's me, Iman. I threw this look together really quickly because I just wanted to film this video, and the point of today's video is to show you guys how I put on my lashes. I've been asked to do this video quite a lot. I don't know why I never thought of doing it before. Maybe because I didn't think I would be a good teacher, but I'm going to try my best. I wanted to show how you can apply lashes in different ways, like using accent pieces in different areas, like the middle versus the tail end versus little tiny pieces, and also how to put on bottom lashes. Don't mind that, it's my tweezers. So let's get started. I don't know if this is close and personal enough. Ugh, oh no. But today I'm going to be using, here we go with this brand again. I still don't know how to say this right. Toyo. I give up again. That's going to be the top lashes I'm going to use. And for bottom lashes, I'll be using Diamond Lash. I think these are Charming Eye. There we go. For the bottom lashes, I'm going to be using Diamond Lash Charming Eye. Well, it looks a little gross, but these are all my accent pieces. Now we're really close up, so I'm gonna already put the glue on my lash, and I like to use a hand mirror. Try my best to not block myself. So I'm gonna go with the right one first. I use tweezers. I'm gonna show you how to do it with tweezers, and maybe I'll show you how to do it with my hands. I try to aim for the middle of my eye first and push with the tweezers. It's usually the part that catches easiest with the glue in my skin. Then I like to go with the inner part because the glue dries really fast. Ugh. So what I do is I grab like onto the long pieces of the hair and push down, and you can feel like the band push against your eyes. Then I go to the end and do the same thing. Just grab the hairs of the lash and push towards your eye. Usually you can feel the pressure. If you don't feel it picking up, you wait a few seconds after you put the glue on, and it gets tacky, sticky as some people say. For extra measure, I like use my finger and I press down. That's all you do. There's nothing much to it. Sometimes I like to use the flat end of the tweezers and push down, but if you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can just use your hands. I also do this, like push at the tips, but usually pressing my fingers like this is what usually gets it to really stay on. And there we go, got one lash on. I hope I didn't block myself. Alright, we're gonna go for it. Second eye. Let me show you how I do the glue. I don't do it too heavily because then you'll be waiting forever for it to get sticky, and I have no patience. Also, a lot of glue tends to make it like really slippery. And so then it's like really hard to like let it catch to my skin. Alright, like the other eye, I'm gonna go and aim for the middle, center of my eye, and press it down. Oh, not in the... Okay, and now we're going to go for the inner part. I was supposed to show you how to do this with my hands, wasn't I? I forgot. I'm so used to using the tweezers. It's really how I do my lashes all the time. I rarely do it with my hands. Really rarely. Maybe next video I can show you how to do it with my hands. Whoopsie! I'm pressing down my fingers again because the glue felt like really wet right here still. So I'm trying to make sure the inner part does not pick back up. Something else I like to do is squeeze the falsies and my actual eyelashes together. Just press them. Make sure you don't get your fingernail in your eye. Alright, now I have both top lashes on. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the accent pieces. This, I was trying to, I think these are from the Diamond Lash Glamorous Eye. Either that or the Korean Darkness brand. I don't remember which one this is. They look kind of similar. Kind of. Like one is more squared off and the other one is a lot more pointy on the ends. So, one way in a lot of Gyaru makeup tutorials, like, you know, little spreads in the magazines, and they tell you how they do their lashes, they put accent pieces in different areas of the eye. So my favorite is right in the middle to stack lashes. It gives more volume to your lashes in the, you know, right in the center of your eye. Or the tail end, like I mentioned before. I think I'm going to try and show you how to do all of them in one eye. That might be a lot, but we'll see. I'm just going to start with the middle first. Can you see me? Am I still in camera? Please stab me if I get out of camera. Alright. See? There we go. Now we got the accent piece right in the middle. Added a little bit of little pizzazz in the middle. And we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. Alright, so now we're going to do the other eye. And am I in camera? When it comes to the accent pieces, placing it with the tweezer is best. But when it comes to like securing it and make sure it like stays down, your fingers are honestly your best friend. Because when it comes to tweezers, you think you're placing it like really close. Oh no! I can see the inner corner is starting to come up. I'm gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Okay. Yeah, this one is like way up. I'm just gonna do the trick where I said pinch my lashes and the falsies together, see if that helps. That doesn't look too bad, honestly, does it? I lied. I'm not going to do lower lashes just yet. I'm going to show you how to do added pieces to the outer part of your eyes. It's not really hard. I just want to show you what it could do for your makeup. That's all. Usually I like to do a lot smaller pieces, like really short pieces that have like a pointy tip to them, like a spiky end. It usually makes my makeup look flared? I don't know what I'm trying to say. I like to use this to extend my makeup, like my eyes look bigger, like dollier. So I either follow my eyeliner, usually like let my eyeliner be a guide to like where the extra piece should go. Sometimes I add it like that, or I might just like stack it right over where the other lashes end. Which I think I might do because this looks kind of weird. Ugh. There we go. Can you see a difference? Like it makes my eye look longer. Can you see it? Now I'm going to go to bottom lashes. I usually put like less glue on them than I do with the upper lashes, usually because the lower lashes tend to just stay on, for me personally. So with my bottom lashes, I like to, when I do my makeup, I like to put eyeliner like from the inner part to the middle. And so with my bottom lashes, I aim to start where I stop with the eyeliner and either connect it with the top lashes or you leave a gap, depending on if I want like a droopy eye look or not. So that looks like a good place today. And honestly, it's like a hit or miss day. I'm not always good at this. Sometimes the eyes don't match. It happens. There we go. I think I really like that shape. Okay. Again, with the smaller pieces, it works a lot better if you use tweezers. Can't really see that unless I'm like hella up close. Can you see it? Just so you can see as an overall view of how it looks on my face. I think it's cute. So now I'm going to do what I did on this side to the other one. And I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is, finished. I showed you how to do the upper lashes, the accents in the middle, and a few tiny accents on the ends, and how to do my bottom lashes. So, what do you think? Was it easy? Kind of hard? Did I struggle today? I did. But hopefully with some practice you can kind of sort of know what you're doing like I do. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is today's full look. I wanted to put something on my lips, but I was afraid I would mess up the entire look. So since I've already finished filming the video, I don't know, I might just try. It's getting mad hot under these lights, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm shining. Right before I become a completely melted popsicle, I'm going to end this video. I hope you found it useful, and there's no perfect way of doing this, but if I ever feel like redoing this video when I have more time on my hands and it's not as hot outside, then I'll redo it. Until then, bye! I mustn't look shiny, I mustn't look sweaty. No. I don't know what I'm doing. Who knows? I know y'all sick of me. Oh my goodness. Almost foul.